Yes, you watching this right now, look at yourself. Really look. Are you here to feel good about reading quotes you'll never live by? Or are you ready to admit you've wasted time pretending? These words aren't for the comfortable. They're for you if you're finally ready to face yourself. These words I'm about to share with you weren't meant to make you feel good about yourself while you stay exactly the same. They're meant to challenge every excuse you've ever made for staying small, poor, or stuck. Each of these truths was forged in the minds of men who refused to accept mediocrity. If you want wealth and success, you need to take these words as commandments. Don't just memorize them. Obey them. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. This is not a comforting slogan. It is law. If you can see it in your mind and believe in it with unwavering faith, you can drag it from imagination into reality. But most of you sabotage yourselves at the very first thought of something bigger. Stop killing your dreams with doubt. Train your mind to see the possible where others see limits. A goal is a dream with a deadline. Don't insult yourself by calling it a goal if you don't give it a deadline. A wish is a ghost. A goal has form and time. Deadlines force your hand, demand action, destroy procrastination. If you don't commit to when, you'll never commit to how. Tie your dream to the clock and watch yourself move. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. You want comfort? Stay average. You want success? Earn it through struggle. Stop running from difficulty. It's the forge that shapes power. Every challenge is a test of how badly you want it. Embrace the struggle. Seek it, because in that suffering lies the difference between the weak and the wealthy. The starting point of all achievement is desire. Desire is the fire. It's the reason you move. Without burning, relentless desire, you will surrender at the first obstacle. Don't tell me you want it if you don't obsess over it. Don't lie about your dreams if they don't keep you awake. The world yields only to those who demand with passion. You give before you get. Success is not theft, it's exchange. Stop asking what you're owed and start asking what you can give. Wealth flows to value. If you want more, offer more. Outthink, outwork, outserve. Entitlement is a poison. Contribution is your price of entry. Set your mind on a definite goal and observe how quickly the world stands aside to let you pass. Indecision is the killer of dreams. Vagueness is failure in disguise. Know exactly what you want, declare it to yourself, and commit to it so fiercely that no one can talk you out of it. When your purpose is unshakable, obstacles move. The world cannot resist the force of a man with clarity. When defeat comes, accept it as a signal that your plans are not sound. Rebuild those plans and set sail once more toward your coveted goal. You will fail. That is not negotiable. But failure is not your end. It's your instructor. When your plan crumbles, don't abandon your goal. Adapt, reinvent, attack again. Cowards see failure as defeat. The determined see it as refinement. No one is ready for a thing until he believes he can acquire it. Your belief is the lock. Your mind is the key. If you cannot see yourself with it, you will never hold it. Break the chains of unworthiness. Cultivate certainty. Believe in your right to succeed so completely that the world has no choice but to agree with you. The man who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than he does. If you're only doing the minimum, don't cry about being broke. The marketplace rewards the exceptional, not the entitled. Over-deliver. Do more than expected. Make yourself impossible to ignore or replace. If you want to be paid more, earn the right. Success requires no apologies. Failure permits no alibis. Stop explaining away your shortcomings. Stop excusing failure. No one cares about your reasons. Success is blunt. It stands unashamed. It doesn't beg forgiveness for being earned. If you want it, own it. And if you fail, don't whine. Fix it. Try again. You've heard these words. Now ask yourself, will you live by them or just repeat them for show? Most will forget them as soon as this ends. Don't be most. Choose one today. Make it law in your life. Write it, speak it, live it until it changes you. Because this isn't about knowing quotes. It's about becoming someone worthy of them. Don't collect these words like trophies. Make them law in your life. Don't just hear them, live them. The world makes way for those who dare to rise. Click the Rise button now to subscribe and claim the destiny waiting for you. Your time is now.